Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping back with another video, the first one of the 2023 season, and we have a new equipment update. It's amazing what you can find for pre-season yard sale. We've got a STIHL FS 131 with the bicycle handles, which it's good for hills and slopes and stuff like that. Saves your back. Not really something I'll use on a daily basis, but very good to have because of that right there. This thing is a beast. The gentleman that I bought it off of used it maybe 5 times behind his house before they had a patio put in. So the blade's pretty much shot, but I do have a couple of those. So not too bad for a pre-season find. So FS 131, bicycle handles, brush cutter. I paid $125 for this. So I will definitely take that as a pre-season win. So you guys look forward to a good season. And I got a bunch of videos I'm going to do of new properties this year for you, so I hope you stick around, and we'll get some good content for you guys. Be safe out there, and I will see you soon. Peace.